Legendary singer SP Balasubrahmanyam is no more. He passed away at 1 p.m. in Chennai today. He was 74. The veteran singer had tested positive for COVID-19 and had been admitted to the hospital on August 5th. Although he was deemed critical at the time, he had slowly started improving and had started to gain consciousness. SPB fans had been pouring in get well soon messages ever since the veteran singer was on a ventilator in August. While his health started to improve in the last few weeks, the hospital authorities issued an official statement that his health deteriorated in the last 24 hours, calling it extremely critical. As per the official statement, it read, Thiru SP Balasubrahmanyam remains on ECMO and other life support measures. His conditions in the last 24 hours has deteriorated further, warranting maximal life support and he is extremely critical. The team of experts at MGM Healthcare are closely monitoring his health conditions. Just recently, SPB's son SP Charan said that his dad was getting better and was eager to get discharged from the hospital. Besides netizens and fans, celebs like Rajnikant, A.R. Rahman, Kamal Hassan and others had shared special wishes to him for his speedy recovery. SP Balasubrahmanyam was born on June 4, 1946 and is a legendary Indian musician, singer, music director, actor and a film producer in Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Hindi and Malayalam film industries. He is known to have recorded over 40,000 songs in 16 Indian languages and apparently hold the Guinness World Record for recording the highest number of songs by a singer. May his soul rest in peace. SPB was awarded the Padma Shri in 2001 by Government of India and is also a recipient of the Padma Bhushan in 2011. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.